So we're going to replace the belt on this Hilti 700. You know, I don't know about other companies, but we sure go through these blades and belts. We cut an awful lot of concrete and we install channel drain every week. So we go through a lot of the diamond blades, but we also go through a lot of belts. But let's go ahead and replace this. Pretty simple stuff. I like to use, if you've got a chainsaw, the old T-wrench. That's going to fit those bolts. Then you need this little guy to unscrew these bolts right here. And I can use the drill for that. So let's take this apart. I think there's 4 bolts to hold this down. And just don't lose your bolts. There are 2 pieces that cover the belt. So you need to take off both these pieces to get to the belt. Once you get these apart, pretty easy to put the new belt on. Belt size is 34.75 inches. I have used 34.5, 34 and a half inch, but it's a really tight fit and the belt broke within just a month. So get the right belt size. It's pretty hard to order. I had to order these on Amazon. I usually order 2 at a time because we go through belts. I mean, every 5 to 6 months, we're replacing this belt. And it drops apart. Still need to take this off. So we need to loosen up a few more bolts. And then we have our belt. This is the multi-groove belt. Slides on one side. Slides over this guy. Maybe. It's a tight fit. So this is a pretty easy replacement, and hopefully someone might find it useful. You know, we replace this belt probably every 5 to 6 months, and it just wears it out with so much use of the saw. You know, this was a used saw. We bought this used for, I think it was like $400 used. What a deal. The blades we go through a lot. Each blade is about $89, call it $100, and we use at least one blade every week. So if you're using the Hilti, this belt also, I think, fits the 900. So 34.75 inches, and take it apart, put it together, and it's brand new. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drainge, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.